Alright, so this is going to be more instructional based. We're working on specifically the side kick. You want to watch me exactly how I do it. Look at how my feet look at my hands. You want to step back like this. We're doing this one. Bring the knee up and here. You want to hit at least like get your leg parallel to the ground. If you want to go higher, you can, but try not to go low. But like right here. So Sigam holds it, hold the bag. We're going to go in order from adults and then down to the children. So it'll be me, and if Trinity wants to go, she could go, and then Sigam, and then Jacqueline, and then Brandon, and then Angelina and Keel. Pay attention. So over here, it's not about doing it fast. I want to see who has the best form. If out of you three, who has the best form will get the dollar. Because it's not about speed right now. It's just about making it look. You got to start this way and end this way. So if I come like this, hold it good, because I'm going to kick hard. Come here, and then back to this. Okay? So I'm going to do 10, and then everybody does 10 on the right side, and then we'll do the left side. So that's 1. Look at my hands when I kick. I want my hands here, protecting here, and then this out. And then look at how I land. I land right back here. Ready? Okay?
Good job, good job.
I'm so happy that was not you holding that.
Yeah, I can go.
Alright, so
And I'll wave to the mirror.
Okay, this is the modified for anyone overcoming an injury.
So Brandon, hold it. This.
Alright.
Hold it steady.
Hold it steady.
So be careful.
Yeah. I'm
So
just gonna go for technique, not.
Yeah. So this is like, listen, like visual learning. Like, you know, like when Michael Jordan or playing basketball, he's not telling you, oh, this is how you shoot, but you just watch him how he shoots. So just watch, and then when your turn, you mimic. Good, that's 10. All right, we'll have Sigam go next. You can hold it. Yeah. Kick as hard as you can. You gotta step back, not forward. Step back. Yeah. Next is Jacqueline.
Oh, Jacqueline.
Kick hard. So you want to get that foot to be horizontal, and you want to step back and you kick. Kick hard. Alright, so you gonna hold it?
Okay.
Alright, so Brandon's next. Alright, look. So now it's like me, Trinity, Sigam, Jacqueline. Look at Brandon's form, because out of these 3 kids, we're gonna see who has the best form. Brandon should be able to kick him hardest because he weighs more, but it doesn't necessarily mean he has to get the best form. Okay?
Yeah.
So we want to see who's going to have the best form out of these 3.
Okay.
Go. Kick harder. Alright, so retract it back quicker. Like don't let it go out and hang out there, but kick and boom, like bring it back fast. Good, not bad. Angelina's turn. So we're doing the right side, we're also going to do the left side, so it depends on who has the best form on both sides. Go. More power. You don't have to go so fast. It's not about speed. Power.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Take your time.
I can't put
Alright, next.
power. I don't that much power.
That's what we're trying to learn how to do.
No, but
Go.
I don't know what power that is.
Okay. Alright, now we gotta do left side. Veronica, you can go after, right? Alright, so your foot, the way that it's positioned, hold it, is very important. So pay attention, guys. When you hit right here, the heel, you can hit with the heel or you can hit with the blade. But some of you guys are going like this, and that's not good. So you don't want to kick like this. You're supposed to pull the toes back and kick, and it's very solid. There's no ending like this. This is a side kick. So I think out of those three, Brandon did the best, but Keel's not bad either. Angelina, you're going too fast. When you go so fast, like you're not gonna be able to hit some kicks because so much power because you're not focusing on getting power. Take your time, step back like this, bring your leg up, extend it out, and then bring it back fast. So you go up, out, back, and then when you land, back landing like this so you can follow up. Like don't land like this with your back to them. You stand with your left leg forward, facing him. My hands are up guarding my face. And here, I step back, boom. This is still up, this is out, and then I land. I think with Trinity, her hands were too close, and she didn't let this out. Like letting this hand out will get more power, and then also, it kind of makes it seem like you're gonna punch them. So when you bring your hand up like this, it makes them like react to it, and then boom, then you hit them right there. But this hand stays up by the face. So if I'm coming over here, like I bring this hand forward to help me get more power, and fakes them out to make them think I'm gonna punch them, and also I kick him in the ribs. Okay, ready? Okay, so try to do exactly like that.
All right.
All right,
Yes. Oh, me?
Trinity's turn.
Hold it?
Yeah.
Freshen up. Alright.
Also, you might not be stepping in close enough. Because if you guys are stepping here and you're just hitting the surface, you're not kicking beyond it. So you aim for like right here. So when I'm kicking beyond it so then it will fly over. But if you only kick the surface, then it'll just be like this. That's kind of what Angelina was doing. You gotta kick it beyond it. Like aim to go like right here. So by the time your leg extends, it's gonna push him back because it's beyond is beyond him, so you want to kick like back here.
So should I go for the body and not for the head?
Well, like the punching thing,
Yeah.
the weight is here. If you kick here, then he's not gonna. Only this is gonna move.
Yeah.
So you can kick like here for maximum power.
Yeah.
But you're still only doing technique, so just be careful. I don't want you to
Yeah.
kick hard anyway. It's just technique now. See, your foot is, I can see it, kind of bending. Like, you're not supposed to point the toes forward. Point it back. And keep it back. So then it doesn't bend forward. Basically, if you aim to hit with the heel, then you'll get better technique. Because now you're hitting here, so you have to point the toes back. Yeah, like that. Yeah. So don't hit with the ball of the foot, hit with the heel right now. Yeah. All right, that's good. Next. That's good technique. So you want to kick hard. This kick is supposed to be for a lot of power. Step back for more power. Step back. One more. Next is Jacqueline. Seagull, you can hold it. Power, a lot of power. Yeah, so that's a pretty not bad technique, but you might be a little too far from him. And then you're also using your foot here too much. Aim for the heel, so that forces you to point your toes towards you. Yeah. Kick hard. Harder. Breathe out your breath, breathe out when you hit. Yeah. Harder. One more. There you go. Next. Alright, so Brandon's left-handed, so maybe his left leg will be even stronger. So working those techniques, remember to cock back the kick quick. Go. Yeah, one. Guard your face when you're kicking that right hand. Yeah. Yeah. Not bad. Alright, so far it's the best technique on YouTube. Yeah, you gotta catch up. Hard, power.
Did you have Brandon singing costume?
Go a little bit, get a little closer, yeah. Breathe out, 5, guard your face. Higher, kick higher a little bit. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, there you go, good. Next. Go. Good form. Kick hard though. Breathe out. Like you're trying to break a board or something. Yeah. The form's pretty good. Alright, so we have to vote.
Not me.
Seagull, me, Trinity, and Jack have to vote to see who has the best form.
Brandon.
Alright? Brandon, raise your hand. Alright, Brandon won. Okay, here we go.
Brandon
Good
was
job.
harder.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's take a picture real quick. I'll